Hi, I'm Akanksha. In this video, we are talking about sunscreens. So for someone who has been using sunscreens for some time now, might have heard these three things, which is physical sunscreen, chemical sunscreen and hybrid sunscreen. These are basically types of sunscreens based on the formulation. So let's break down what each one of these mean. So physical sunscreen, as the name suggests, it gives you a physical barrier. It forms a shield on your face and it reflects back the UV rays from your skin, and that is how it protects your skin. It does not allow the sun rays to enter into your skin. Zinc oxide and titanium dioxide are two of the most common physical filters that are used in the physical sunscreens. Also, physical sunscreens are appropriate for people with sensitive and acne prone skin. Now coming to chemical sunscreens, these get absorbed into your skin and do not just sit on top, and they also absorb the UV rays, convert them into heat and then radiate it away from your skin. That is how these work. Avobenzone, oxybenzone are certain chemical filters which are widely used. Chemical sunscreens are mostly unsuitable for people with sensitive and acne prone skin. Now coming to hybrid sunscreens, as the name suggests, it is a hybrid. It is a composition which has a mixture of both physical as well as the chemical filters. So it might have both the avobenzone and zinc oxide. Nowadays, most of the makeup brands also have come up with makeup which contain SPF, but is it really that efficient like an actual SPF wala sunscreen? They are not. So do not fall for these gimmicks. These are just hoax. Just a compact or just a foundation with SPF of 15 or 20 is not gonna give you maximum sun protection. Yes, these can be add-ons to your actual main sunscreen, but these by themselves are not that efficient as sun protection. Now sunscreen तो बहुत सारे types में आते हैं. Like you can get the powder sunscreens, you can get the compact sunscreens, then the creams, lotions and spray sunscreen भी तो आ रहे हैं आजकल, है ना. तो which one is the most efficient and the most effective? That's what we need. Okay, so there was this video on YouTube which I watched years ago. I will be linking that in the description box. Do give it a watch. It's a really interesting experiment that was done by some people to check कि कौन सा formulation आपको maximum protection देता है. So they basically use this UV camera. So in that experiment they found out that the powder sunscreen में there was no protection given to your skin. Yes, it was zero, no protection at all. So stay away from powder sunscreens or compacts. Then coming to the spray sunscreen, उसमें you can get like 5 to 10% of protection. ऐसा कुछ ज़्यादा protection आपको नहीं मिल सकती है क्योंकि when you spray it, the product is scattered all over your face, right? एक जगह पे concentrated होके आपको एक shield नहीं मिलती है on your face. So that is the reason why sprays are also not that effective. Now coming to stick form वाला sunscreens, pretty much like lipsticks and lip balm. वैसे stick form में भी कुछ sunscreens आते हैं जिनको you can just roll it on your face and you are done. So those also give you good amount of protection, but the highest amount of protection आपको मिलती है from creams and lotions. It completely blocks the entry of UV rays into your skin. Now let's talk about sunscreen. कैसे लगाना है, कितना लगाना है और कैसे reapply करना है. इसमें कोई नई बात नहीं है. हम सबको पता है कि sunscreen needs to be reapplied every 2 to 3 hours depending on your sun exposure. Sun exposure से 15 से 20 मिनट पहले आप इसे लगा लो ताकि the product gets activated, the filters get activated and you can get the maximum amount of protection when you go out. And now coming to the amount that you need to use, you need to use half a teaspoon of sunscreen at once. So half a teaspoon is actually equivalent to sunscreen which is applied to 3 of your fingers. तो अगर आप 3 fingers में sunscreen apply कर लोगे, that is the amount of sunscreen that your face needs, that your skin needs at once. Now coming to how to reapply. Now I would always suggest you कि आप अपने face को अच्छे से wipe करके, या अगर you have the access to face washes and water, then cleanse your face nicely and then only reapply it. क्योंकि what happens now, the pollution, dust, dirt, the sweat, everything is gonna get into it's gonna be a concoction and your pores are gonna get clogged horribly. You will get acne, you will get issues with clogged pores. I mean, this is my personal preference, okay, because I have really sensitive and acne prone skin. तो मैं तो कोई भी chance नहीं लेती हूँ. I always wash my face and cleanse it properly and then only apply the second layer of sunscreen. मैं layer on top of layer नहीं करती हूँ. Now coming to the most controversial thing about sunscreens, oxybenzone. So it is an ingredient, it is a filter, it is a chemical filter which is used in most of the sunscreens, but आजकल the brands have started to exclude it from the ingredient list, but they do use certain derivatives of oxybenzone. तो ऐसा कोई solid proof तो नहीं है, but certain studies have suggested that oxybenzone is a chemical which can penetrate through your skin and get into your bloodstream. And अगर वैसा होता है, then what happens is that it can cause certain hormonal imbalances and also in extreme cases it might lead to breast cancer in women. तो अगर आप सोचो तो it's really scary, but there's no full proof about this thing. It's just certain studies have suggested that so and so thing might happen with oxybenzone. So I think it's good to stay on the safer side and avoid sunscreen which use oxybenzone as a filter, because क्योंकि आजकल बहुत सारे न्यू जनरेशन फिल्टर्स भी आ गए हैं मार्केट में विच आर रियली सेफ एंड इफेक्टिव एज वेल. अ फ्यू ऑफ द सनस्क्रीन्स दैट आई हैव बीन यूजिंग एंड लविंग ऑफ लेटली. सो आई हैव यूज्ड द La Shield Physico sunscreen. It is a physical sunscreen. I have an in-depth video on this sunscreen, so if you're interested you can go give it a watch. It is gonna be here in the I button. And the second one that I have been loving off lately is the Earth Freedom Sun Fluid, the hybrid one, and I have been using the SPF 50 version and it also has PA4+, so it pretty much gives you maximum protection. और पहले I have used the VLCC Matte Look sunscreen. It was a chemical sunscreen. I've also used the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch, which was also a chemical sunscreen. I also used the Lakme Sunblock, the Sun Expert one, SPF 30 or 40 कुछ था, I forgot. So that was also a chemical sunscreen. So basically मैंने all the three types of compositions use किए हैं, and personally I feel that this hybrid one is really good. And chemical भी जो VLCC का था ना, that worked really well for me, but of lately I don't know क्या होता है उसे, जब भी मैं use करती हूँ I tend to get a lot of acne on my skin. So I don't know, पहले तो ऐसा नहीं था, but now my skin has started reacting differently to it, so I have stopped using it completely. I have been using this Earth Freedom one, and so far fingers crossed, touch wood, it's good. It is working good on my face. I will be filming an in-depth video on this Earth Freedom Sun Fluid as well, because I have quite some things to tell about this. So stay tuned for that. And I think that's all about today's video. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you still have any queries, then leave it in the comments below. I do reply to each and every comment. So yeah, with that it's a wrap. I'll see you with another video. Until then, it's me, Akanksha, signing off. Bye.